Hey guys, quick update on the 58. Got the heater channels, but I also have these used channels, because as you know, this car is missing an absolute ton of metal, and it's gonna start pouring on me any minute here, but I want to shoot this video and see what you guys thought. Because it's missing a lot of metal over there. You can see how far up this goes. Cross braces are gone. So I have this used panel, rocker rather, that I got with the oval, the black oval, which has a lot of that metal in the pillar as well. So I also have, as you may or may not know, this 67 body. Unfortunately, this car lost its chassis for a golf cart limo project. So the rockers on this, with the exception of a couple small rust areas, are really super solid. The luggage tray has a couple holes in it, but again, I got these things up here. And it's starting to rain. So my thought process was, what do you think? I went with the 5/8 spot weld kit. What do you think about taking the rockers out of this and the extra metal that we need? And it's starting to pour. Awesome. So let me know what you think as it starts to rain. I'm thinking of cutting the heater channels out of this car and the luggage tray, and then just patching that back hole. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'd appreciate it, because that's a lot of metal we gotta fill. All right, I gotta cover this thing back up. Some progress being made. I'll show you some clips probably. We got the lean-to off the other garage. I got to get this car inside so I can get the metal work done inside in the garage. So thank you guys for the comments and the likes. Can't say thank you enough. And thank you for following this project. I appreciate the support. All right, take care, guys. Getting this lean-to built off the garage. Get a few more cars under storage here. There's 17 cars at the other house in the driveway, so, and around the yard, so I got to get that cleaned up. So this is going to be 20 feet. We'll get two in over here, get some gravel in. That's Bondo, baby. That's a 68 convertible. You can't stick a magnet to that car anywhere. It's one of the first 5 VWs I bought back in like 2014 when I got back into them again. So we'll get that one under cover. There's a 67 coupe over there. Get that one in here, musty one. Took the red 65 out of that tent, so right now I got a bunch of motorcycle parts in there. Trying to clean up, get organized.